How to transfer a TikTok account from one phone to another phone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can transfer a TikTok account from one phone to another phone. So let's dive in. So first you have to open a TikTok account and then click these two horizontal lines on the top right corner, and then you have to click the settings and privacy option in the pop-up menu. Now it's going to bring you to this page, and on this page you simply have to choose this account option on the top, and then it's going to bring you to this page. Here you have to choose account information, and then it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have your email and you can also see your phone number. Now go to the other phone and enter this email simply by clicking it, and here you have to just choose this email and enter it on the new phone, and then you can enter your password and then you can log in. And that's the only method that you can use to transfer your TikTok account to another phone. Now you can log out your account from this phone and then you can just keep using it in the new phone. And that's how you transfer a TikTok account to another phone.